In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an EC2 instance in AWS. This process is quite straightforward, and by following along, you'll be able to complete it in just a few minutes. Whether you're freeing up resources for more critical projects or simply cleaning up instances you no longer need, these steps will guide you through safely terminating your EC2 instances while ensuring you understand each part of the process. To start, open your preferred web browser and search for AWS. This is the first step in accessing the suite of cloud computing services AWS offers, including the EC2 or Elastic Compute Cloud, which is what we're focusing on today. Once you're at the AWS homepage, you'll need to sign in. It's crucial to ensure you're using the correct credentials associated with the account that manages the EC2 instances. If you have trouble signing in, double-check your email and password, or reach out to AWS support for assistance. Once logged in, you'll be able to access the AWS Management Console, where all the magic happens. Now, let's navigate to the EC2 console. This console is essentially the dashboard for all EC2-related services and activities. You can find EC2 by either using the search bar at the top of the AWS Management Console or by locating it within the Services menu under Compute. Clicking on EC2 will direct you to a detailed display of your current instances, their status, and other critical information. It's here that you can select the specific instance you wish to terminate. After locating your instance, the next step is to right-click on it. This action will reveal a drop-down menu with several options for managing your instance. From this menu, you'll want to choose Terminate. Termination is a crucial step, and AWS will likely prompt you to confirm your decision. Be aware that terminating an instance is irreversible. The instance and all associated data on its ephemeral storage are permanently deleted. It's wise to ensure any vital data has been backed up before taking this step. When you confirm termination, the instance's status will update to shutting down and will soon change to terminated. Patience is key, as this might take a few moments. Once you see the terminated status, you can rest easy knowing that the instance has been successfully deleted. And there you have it, a quick and efficient way to delete an EC2 instance on AWS. Remember, keeping your cloud resources tidy not only helps manage costs, but also enhances operational efficiency. Don't hesitate to revisit any steps if needed, and feel free to explore other AWS features to optimize your cloud experience. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next tutorial.